Understanding the phrase, put a gag on. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of English idioms. We'll be exploring the meaning behind the phrase, put a gag on, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets of this intriguing expression. The phrase, put a gag on, has a figurative and sometimes literal meaning. Literally, it refers to placing a cloth or some material over someone's mouth to prevent them from speaking. Figuratively, it means to silence someone or to stop someone from speaking freely. It's often used in situations where speech is restricted, either by external forces or for a specific strategic reason. Delving into the origins, put a gag on comes from the world of theater and performance. A gag was something that actors would do to provoke laughter, unrelated to the script. The term evolved, and now a gag order can be a legal term where someone is restricted from speaking about certain information. When using put a gag on, it's important to understand the context. It's not always appropriate, as it can imply censorship or forced silence. For example, the company's lawyers decided to put a gag on the discussion about the lawsuit. During the surprise party preparations, we had to put a gag on the birthday girl to keep the secret. Let's see how to incorporate put a gag on in various sentences. The media was put a gag on during the sensitive negotiations. When the children began revealing the secret plans, the parents had to put a gag on their chatter. And that's a wrap on put a gag on. We hope this video has shed light on this expression and you feel confident using it in your English conversations. Remember, idioms can add color to our language, but be mindful of their context. Happy speaking, and see you in our next video.